Okay, this is not an official test of my stage. The camera's just sitting on a bar stool, but a little bit of a test and a trial for a new way to play this song. Actually, the right way to play it. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft upon your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong, I'm just trying to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow, for tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. I'm so tired of being alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't want to be alone. Help me make it through the night. All right, the condensed version, but like I said, it's just a test. Thank y'all.